What happens when we press this button? The number on the LCD increases. In this project, we will build a simple button counter using Arduino and an LCD I2C display. We only need a few simple components: an Arduino board, an LCD I2C display, a push button, and some jumper wires. Connect the LCD using the I2C interface. This only requires 4 wires. The button is connected to pin D2 and ground. We will use the internal pull-up resistor. Now upload the Arduino code to the board. Every time we press the button, the counter increases by 1. This is a simple way to learn digital input and LCD display with Arduino.